Today I'm coming to you from the beautiful, one-of-a-kind community of Waterside, located in the heart of Surf City, North Carolina. What makes this community so special is its proximity to the coast. Located just minutes away from the Atlantic Ocean, beach walks, beautiful sunsets, and the coastal lifestyle are right at your fingertips. In addition to everything that this area has to offer, Waterside has its own amenities, making it easy to step out of your door and enjoy a day at the pool, a game of sand volleyball, s'mores with neighbors at the fire pit, or even have your kids play right here on the playground.
Rep will offer two main floor plans: the Norman, which is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome, and the Pearson, which is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome. Both of these plans will offer spacious one-car garages and thoughtfully designed layouts that will be perfect for exactly what you need. I would love to see you make this townhouse a townhome.